All right, everybody, welcome back. For today's showcase, we have some handmade stilts from Sweetcraft Woodwork. These are made from a species of wood native to North America called poplar. For all of you space lovers out there, these are the stilts you're looking for. They also include durable black rubber grips for extreme versatility. Check him out. Fantastic. Last but not least, grip tape was added to the footrest for added grip. When you put these on, nothing can stop you. Aren't they just marvelous? Hold on a second here. What seems to be the problem, young man? We're not done with the showcase yet. Get back out there. All right. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get back to the showcase. Let's go ahead and give them one last look at the versatility of these bad boys. I tell you what, when he moves, they just move right along with him. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our showcase. Go ahead and take a bow, young man. Good night, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to Sweetcraft Woodworking.